Hello, everyone. Welcome to Rapid Maths Trick. In this video, we are going to learn easy and impressive calculation. In this video, we are going to cover 3 topics. Topic 1. Instant multiplication. Topic 2. How to convert kilograms to pounds. Topic 3. How to multiply any number by 9. Now, let us try to solve few problems on topic 1, which is instant multiplication. Problem 1. Multiply 32 by 13. Let's start. Step 1. Multiply the number 32 by 10. So we get 320 as the answer. Step 2. Next we will multiply the number 32 by 3 and we get 96. Step 3. Now we will add the answer obtained in step 1 and step 2. So we get 416 as the final answer. Problem 2. Multiply 85 by 13. Let's start. Step 1. Multiply the number 85 by 10. So we get 850 as the answer. Step 2. Next we will multiply the number 85 by 3 and we get 255 as the answer. Step 3. Now we will add the answer obtained in step 1 and step 2. So we get 1105 as the answer. Hence, the final answer is 1105. Let us solve few problems on topic 2. Problem 1. Convert 112 kilograms to pounds. Let's start. Step 1. Multiply kg value by 2. So we get 224 as the answer. Step 2. Divide the previous one by 10. As we get 22.4 as the answer. Step 3. Now we will add the answer obtained in step 1 and step 2. And we get 246.4 pound as the final answer. Problem 2. Convert 200 kg to pound. Let's start. Step 1. Multiply kg value by 2. So we get 400 as the answer. Step 2. Divide the previous one by 10. So we get 40 as the answer. Step 3. Now we will add the answer obtained in step 1 and step 2. So we get 440 pounds as the final answer. Let us solve few problems on topic 3. Problem 1. Multiply 215 by 9. Let's start. Step 1. Multiply the number 215 by 10. So we get 2150 as the answer. Step 2. Next we subtract the number 215 from 2150 and we get 1935 as the answer. Hence, the final answer is 1935. Now, I will give you some question for practice. First, multiply 77 by 13. Second, convert 388 kilograms to pound. Third, multiply 999 by 9. For any queries, please comment below, and we would reply to your queries. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like, share, and and subscribe to Rapid Maths Tricks for more knowledgeable videos. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. In this video, we completed easy and impressive calculation. And in next video we will cover percentage.